If you are a Nigerian living abroad and you are visiting Nigeria for this festive season, I'm giving you these few banking tips that would help you move around safely. These tips I have gathered from the many years I spent on customer service, from the stories and the complaints that people bring to customer service. So I have picked out these very few tips that would help you and guide you during your stay in Nigeria. Number one, remove your bank's mobile app from the device that you use most. For example, if na your phone you dey carry around, all the places where you dey waka go, you are going to be carrying your phone. You can put your bank's mobile app on maybe your iPad or your tab that you mostly leave at home. Now, this is no guarantee that your mobile app cannot still be accessed on that device, but this one is going to reduce the chances of it being accessed on that device. Remove your app from the device that you carry around most, put it in a device that you don't frequently carry around. If you have so much naira in a particular account, please do not spend from that account. Remove a lump sum, that is comot money wey you know say you go fit spend from that account and put it somewhere else, maybe in your child's account wey no too get money, or in an account that you can call a utility account. If it is possible, get a utility card. Go to your bank, tell them you want to get a utility card. They'll give you a utility card, and from time to time, you can be putting money inside that utility card anytime you want to buy something, or anytime you want to go out, or anytime you want to send somebody to buy something for you. You give them that utility card, because that is not your main account. That is not your real account. It is just a ledger where your bank will create so that they can attach that utility card to it. This is not your real account, it's not your main account. If it is possible, get a utility card, a utility ledger, and be crediting from your main account, be putting money inside this utility card or utility account, and be spending from there. I strongly advise that you let your people know your exact location at every time, like to the detailed location of everywhere you are going to be at every point. But when you are visiting your bank, reduce the number of ears that will hear that you are going to the bank. This is mostly because even though say you no wan go collect money, even though say you no wan do any cash related transaction, anybody that hears that you are going to the bank, the first thing that comes to their mind is you come from abroad, you dey go bank, it is money. Sometimes you are going to the bank not really because of cash or because of money. You want to fix one or two challenge or problem wey dey your account, but people that will hear it, you come from abroad, they go bank, the first thing that comes to their mind is money. You won't go withdraw money or you won't go deposit money, and this can pose a threat to you. So reduce the number of years that you tell that you are going to the bank. Number four, try to speak Nigerian English. Now, this is not the time when you are in the banking hall for you to use accents, American accents, British accents. I understand that some of you were born there, you know if you speak Nigerian English again, but if you cannot, please try not to be too loud, because there are other customers that are there who you do not really know their intentions. For those of us wey e dey Europe, wey they know they speak English for Europe, coming to come dey use British and American accents in the banking, e go be like say you dey force am. E go be like you dey force am come out. E no go really clean like that. So no, I mean no disrespect, but this is what I have seen, and these are some of the stories I have heard, and I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Let me share a story why I am telling you this. This guy, fine brother or fine guy like this, he came to the banking hall, and he was just a blow grammar inside bank. They use British accents and everything. So you would think that he just came from abroad and he's trying to sort out one or two. Whereas this brother, level no day, he just the package. From the story he told us, he said that the people wey kidnap him, he thinks they followed him from the bank because they thought that he had all the money and because the way he was speaking and everything, so they just think say the guy get money, then follow him from bank. Now I need you to know that not be everybody wey dey bank they do transactions. Some people come to the bank to do transactions and also to spy on other people. Be careful when you're in the banking hall. Do your own transaction and go. So they abducted him thinking, say, in get money. Although he eventually they had to pay ransom. They paid before they released him. He was the one sharing the story. Say, e be like say na from bank, na him dem for follow am, go kpake am for road. So as much as you can, try to be yourself. I mean no disrespect, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Until I see you again, this is Flora, your digital banker. God bless you.